Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Code Yatra. Today we will learn how to add links to any type of text or an image. So let's get started. I'll name a file anchor.html and generate the boilerplate code. Here change the title as add links, and for the adding the link in any type of text or image, we use the stack anchor tag. This A stands for a anchor, and it is having, if the element has an href attribute, then it represents a hyperlink, a hypertext anchor labeled by its content. So its attribute is href, and this href create this hyperlink. Okay, so here I'll use the link. Let's say google.com. For that we will go on this page and just copy it, and here we will paste it. Just a quick reminder that always remember the link should be in this form, otherwise the link will not get open in your page. So now close the tag and you will write here Google. Let's see, the link is opening. Now coming to the next thing, how to add image the same way we add here. Just copy it, change the text with image tag. If you don't know how to use image tag, I had already told you in my previous video. You can go and check that video. I'll paste the link of it in my description. So let's come to the topic image source, and the source would be kitty.jpg. I'm already having this image in my folder. Make sure that the image should be into your folder if you are using some kind of the image which is already into your device. If you are using it from internet, then no problem. uh, Height and width, let's set the height is 200 pixel, width as 200 pixel also. Just add a break tag here. I already told you why the break tag is used in one of my previous video. You can check it in qwerty.html. It is basically used to change the paragraph. Now let's see it. When you click on this image, we will see this google.com. Now one more thing I want to say is these links are getting open in the same tab, and if you want to open the links in next tab, just here you have to write target equals blank space blank underscore and space blank. So if you use this thing, now this thing should be added in this anchor tag only. Okay, now go to this live server, and now I'm clicking on this kitty page, and you can see a new tab is getting opened. So thank you for the video.